What's up guys, dito tayo sa N Domingo. Binisita natin si Coach John Riel. Workout tayo with bros. Sama si Ayman, tsaka yung coach natin si Coach JL. So, follow natin yung program ni JL. Tapos yun. With the pros. Let's go. First workout, chest supported row to target our upper back. Nag-warm up muna kami for 1 set, then we proceed to 3 working sets. Follow namin yung program ni Coach Larry Wills. Let's go. And we have here Prince Ayman. He's from Egypt. He's a WNBF pro. And nagkakilala kami nung WNBF PH7 kung saan siya nag-pro. Sobrang bait ng tao to, sobrang humble. Grabe din yung disiplina. And we also have here Coach John. He's also a WNBF pro. Dito namin siya dinayo sa N Domingo, Quezon City. Nagkasabay kami no WNBF PH7 tsaka NBPH.
Okay. Para sa parang PRC. Hindi kasi nga, diba?
Pangayang ano?
Discount daw. Discount daw. 30%. Discount daw yung sa grocery.
Come Jay, not the guy could work out with you.
You have a plan?
Hey!
Next year?
I'm gonna limit to that. Because I'm more than my list already. But if I improve a little bit, I think I may join classic. If not pop Rocky belt. Classic, you know?
Like a letter.
Yeah, exactly. Bang so they require big muscle. But classic is more
Yeah, after the tour, kind of do that. Something completely after 2 years of working. But I will do traffic, no break, for all year.
yeah. When I started using traps, I got weaker. Yeah. To build the forearms, like a really good forearm, I mean, you have to hold weights with your hand there. I mean, the trap is really good for isolation, but it gets you a little bit weaker. To be honest, I noticed that on myself, you know? Like, it's based on experience. I'm not saying anything.
No, it's valid.
But that's not the mere reason I don't use traps, because I feel more comfortable without it. You know, it gives you an isolation, I know, but it's okay. You can work a little bit of forearms. Yeah. Oh, sorry. See, it's stuck in the trap.
O sige, isa pa. Sagyan pa natin.
Huwag na. Tama na yun.
Bakit may tikit yun? Hindi naman magnetic yung susi.
Pag may dito yung earbuds ko.
Yung susi.
Ay, binabaliktad. Ay, tama na yun. Flip mo, tama na yun. Ayan, tama na yun. Ay, makita na nakaside na.
Baka naman naaangat ko, be.
Hindi nga naangat na nakatupin yung ano.
Yung kabila yun.
Okay, nakikita na mag-level ka sa iba.
Ayun naman naaangat ko dito. Ang galing.
Ay, ganyan mo lang.
Ikaw mo kaya sa kabila ko sukat.
Be, Kamarin na Loma.
Wow, nakuha na! Ang galing. Daldal kasi ni Kit. Ano ba naman?
Tapos nung laki-laki na siya, akala ni tita, ano yun, Enervon. May way pala sila kuya, hindi, my God, ganyan.
Oo, nag-workout nga din sila Tito. Si Tito ba nag-workout noon?
Sino?
Si Tito? Hindi. Eh bakit way yung napainom sa'yo?
Oo nga way yun na pa yun siya.
Siya lang yung maganda yung katawan eh.
Hindi infant milk na medyo tatangkad ka pa.
Grabe naman. Parang hindi nag-cheat day. Ba't ganon? Wala sa Jacob. Parang hindi nag-cheat day. Kung Titan ka, anong Titan ka? Habang nagpo-post. Interview. Sa huli, ang sabi. Ano sagot? Ako yung nagpo-post. Nice. Pasok ka pa, coach. Yun. Baby, move ka konti. Ayan, nice. Naku, daya. Nakasal. Picture, picture.
Coach, ocho.
Video lang. Okay, sige. Puposin ba kayo lahat? Three.
1, 2, 3. Thank you, athletes.
Sasali kami. Ito, naka-video to. Puposing lang tayo.